Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a second account and switch accounts in Cookie Run Kingdom. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to create a second account and easily switch between accounts in Cookie Run Kingdom, here's what you need to do. First, open the game and go to the home screen. At the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Now tap on Info, and here you'll find a Log Out button. Tap on it once, and then tap again to confirm the logout. Once you've successfully logged out, you'll see the account selection screen. At the top, you'll see your existing account, and at the bottom, you'll see an option to create new account. Tap on that. Now you'll be asked to choose a login method. For best results, tap on Email. Enter a new email address, choose a strong password, confirm it, and tap Register. Grant all necessary permissions, and your new account will be created. Now, if you want to switch between accounts, all you have to do is log out again using the same method. On the account selection screen, you'll see all your registered accounts listed. Just tap on the one you want to switch to, and you're back in the game with your desired account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a second account and switch accounts in Cookie Run Kingdom. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.